I think I must be rather an odd person because I don't think anything about it. I mean, all these people come to see me and talk to me, and I'm quite happy because they said lots of times, because whenever I go I'm surrounded by hundreds of people, and they said, "Oh, aren't you fed up with all these people?" And I said, "No, I like people, and I do. Any nationality, no matter whether rich or poor, they're all the same to me. I like them." And I met so many different kinds. But they write to me and ask me most odd things. One said, "Can I have a piece of your hair, even if it's only a piece taken out of a comb?" He must have been quite mad.